Having grown up in Romania and sort of not really lived anywhere else until I was 19 and moved here, I think being a student here really sort of opened up my mind to kind of new cultures and how to interact with people from different cultures and different characters and so on. So I think that's really invaluable to how I sort of interact with people in my career these days. And
Everyone's from a different place, so you get to learn from a first point at hand, really, how different cultures, different ways of like looking at things. I mean, there's no place that you can literally go to a class and you can have every single person be from a different place and then go, oh, here's an international issue, and everybody give a different point of view. And it's not just a different point of view from like, oh, like, hey, I'm both American, but I feel different about it. It's, oh, I actually grew up differently. So with that in mind, it really changed how I see just issues in general.
I could live closely to people from cultures that are different from mine, so I could understand their backgrounds, their mindset, try to, like when you're joking with someone, there must be a level of understanding that's not, in any English books that I would have read at home. So that was really good.
Studying at Richmond was a big help for me
All
to be
right.
able to understand how to cope with people, how to interact with people of different ethnic background, different social background, different economic background, and everything. And that really helps me to go into the work of volunteering to help
Right.
people.
It was exciting because you was meeting people from everywhere, like over 100 nationalities. So you meet people, it's like people with their own different cultures, different religion. You share different ideas. I mean, the whole communication and going out. It's more like you're in London, right? But then the whole world is there.
the student community was very diverse. So when I came here, there were a couple of other Romanians, but just kind of meeting people from countries that I kind of forgotten existed, and just making friends from pretty much all over the world.
In my time is lots of mixture, European, Arabs, and then the Middle East, and then the American people, and everybody is spread all over the world. However, when they come to London, they contact me, having a good time, we talk about good old days.
We're here to be diverse, to be unique, and to unite ourselves in order to make this world more interesting.